Hidden in the mountains of northern Morocco lies one of the most unique cities in the world. This is Chefchaouen, a peaceful town where almost every street and building is painted in beautiful shades of blue. Walking through the narrow alleys feels like stepping into another world. Blue walls, colorful doors, and small windows appear around every corner. Visitors slowly explore these quiet streets, discovering why this place is known as the famous Blue City. In the busier streets, the city becomes lively. Travelers explore local shops, small markets, and traditional crafts that reflect the culture of this mountain town. Street music often fills the alleys, adding a warm and welcoming atmosphere for everyone passing by. The blue color covering the city is more than decoration. Many believe it represents peace, spirituality, and the sky above the mountains surrounding Chefchaouen. For many visitors, the real beauty of the city is simply wandering through its quiet streets and enjoying the calm rhythm of daily life. Climbing the famous blue stairways of Chefchaouen reveals new views at every step. Narrow paths lead through quiet corners of the old Medina, where every wall and doorway is painted in calming shades of blue. As you slowly move higher, the city unfolds beneath the surrounding mountains. Small homes, hidden courtyards, and peaceful alleys appear along the way, inviting visitors to slow down and simply enjoy the unique beauty of this remarkable blue city. Local artists also bring color and creativity to the streets, displaying paintings inspired by the beauty of the blue city. Would you like to wander through the blue streets of Chefchaouen one day?